Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, eXp Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida, and check out this new listing that's just hitting the market. It's got a 3-car garage, 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's go on inside here. So this is the view from the front door. There's actually a lake across the street there, you can see it. And let's go on inside. Got a dining area here. Crown molding throughout. Split floor plan. We've got carpets here in this bedroom. There's a nice bedroom too. Nice plantings. Guest bathroom here. So let's go over this side. We've got another bedroom here. As I mentioned, 4 bedrooms. Sorry for going so fast. We'll put a text code up here so you can see all of the information. Huge 3-car garage. Nice and clean. Laundry sink. And we're on a lake here. Nice open space here. You've got your pantry over there. Breakfast bar. Nice kitchen. Granite countertops. That's your view while you're having breakfast or whatever. There's the view from here. Nice lanai. Nice and private here. And then check out the master. It's very, very nice. A good size walk-in closet here. And the master suite here. Granite again. Separate tub. Shower. Separate toilet. There's your shower area there. It's just storage. And this takes you back out to the lanai. Nice relaxing space. There's the view from here again. And you know, as I mentioned, we're on the lake. So check it out. Sorry for going so fast. I'm going to put a text code here where you can get the 3D tour and all of the information and aerial photos and everything. So again, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, eXp Realty in Naples, West Florida. And if you know somebody looking for a marvelous 4-bedroom home with a 3-car garage and nice private area here in Naples, lower HOA fees, reach out to us. Alrighty, chat soon, and bye for now.